So real quick, I just was running to the store and I walked to the front door and I had more things and I started opening it and then I realized I should do it in front of you. It'd be an unboxing. I got another air spun translucent. I think the one that I have now is neutral. So that might be like lighter, which is nice, and then I'll be able to compare. So then this happened. I don't know. I have a wish list attached to one of my Instagram accounts, and I have a lot of really nice people who do nice things for me all the time. I don't know. This could literally be anything from like makeup to something that I'm gonna just have to click edit out immediately. Oh no. Well, I guess I have to edit it out immediately, but you know what it is? I bleached something. I don't know if you've ever heard of doing that. Tell your kids earmuffs. Have you ever heard of anal bleach? I bleached my asshole. I always have and I always will. You can't go back. And that's what I use, and I had it on my wish list, so someone nice bought it for me. This feels weird. Ticking. I had a lot of bad breakups. Skizzers. Where are you? Does everybody own a pair of these orange handled scissors that like that you stole from your mom? I feel like everyone does. This is odd packaging. Like, I don't know how to go into this because I don't know what it is. So I can't really like... Alexa, turn up. I hope this is something that I can potentially put on my channel and I'm not doing all this for nothing. This will probably be like fucking dildo or some shit. Cool unboxing, Courtney. I'm just wicked nervous because I don't know what it is and I don't want to like cut it. Is that a box? Okay. Box in a bag? Fox in socks? I just did a huge cut. I am scared. Alright, I don't think I cut it. This is like Fort Knox. Maybe this is from a company because it has like a letter. Dear Courtney Quinn. I find out, I go, and I don't tell you. It is from the company, and they really didn't want it to break. D. I can open it easier because I know that it's not something that's gonna like pop. It is. I don't know if you guys saw my Insta vid that I did with, oh, it looks so pretty like that. In the Glow overnight mask. I just ran out of mine. I reached out to them and let them know that I totally love their product. So I'll go ahead and do a video on this, like my nighttime routine, because I actually got something else, which is a Conair facial steaming, like something like that. Looks like a lot of work. I haven't done it yet. It's like, looks like a humidifier. Not sure, but I love this stuff. This stuff is awesome. So I'm super excited. So thank you so much beyond belief. It's In the Glow Overnight Mask. It says weekly. I did it every day. Yeah, I'll open it another day. Anyway, so I got this Airspun. I got this bleaching cream, and I got this In the Glow. So thank you.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again because a vision saw.
Thank you to who got me that. It's fine. It's fine. We're fine. It's fine. We're fine. We're fine. It's fine. We're fine. Don't forget about my giveaway. Did it look like I froze? That was cool. Don't forget about my giveaway. I'll link it down below. I just wanted to say I love you very much, all my friends and all my supporters. And extra love to all my haters. Bye, guys.